Hey Andrea, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. It's been like a week since I talked to you. Can you tell me about what's been going on?
Not much, just been working and hanging with Jack, my son, who's 2, and as you know, I work from home as a graphic designer, so I've been working on designing a magazine and some online ads, and then taking care of house duties and chores and stuff like that.
Yeah, so it sounds like you have your plate full because you have a toddler and you're also working a lot and you have a family to spend time with. So how do you balance all of that?
Well, I used to try and work anytime I could while Jack was down or just resting or playing by himself, and then he would get mad, and so I've really tried focusing while Jack's awake, hanging with Jack, and then when he's down for a nap, that's pretty much my work time. Or if I get up early, if I really need to finish something before he wakes up in the morning, and then also just if I need to finish something when he goes to bed at night. So where I kind of balance and then try and get the rest of the house chores done once he's in bed and things like that.
Okay, so it sounds like you have a good plan already of how you balance, having
I try.
2-year-old.
It doesn't always work, but I'm trying.
Okay, but it sounds like you have some really great ideas. So, making sure you're playing with Jack when he's awake and doing work when he's napping and stuff like that gives you good time for both.
Yeah.
Well, good. So, what are some things that you wish you had more time for during the day?
Me time. Even if it's working out, trying to put my health first, or even just relaxing. Because I do work when he's napping and things like that, sometimes I feel like self-care part of my life can sometimes be pushed to the side, so sometimes that would be nice. And even just little things. I'm a big, to check it off my to-do, so sometimes I get frustrated if it's at the end of the day and I feel like I didn't get much crossed off, but I'm trying to learn that that's okay.
Yeah. I get that. That can be frustrating, having all these different things that you want to do during the day and feeling like you're not getting all of that stuff.
Yeah.
But, so you mentioned self-care and you wish you had more time to work out. Is there any other kind of thing that you wish you had more time for? Or is that the main thing?
I guess even when my husband comes home, we're both tired from work, so sometimes hanging out together instead of just going straight upstairs to bed. We even sometimes try and make an effort to sit downstairs and have a conversation or even just watch TV downstairs instead of going straight up to bed is something that I feel like we're trying to work on too, instead of just being hey, we're tired.
Yeah.
So I guess my relationship with my husband as well is always something that I can work better on.
Yeah. I mean, you have your plate full, like I said earlier. So you have a kid and you'd like to work out more and you're working full time and you also want to make time for your husband too. So I think that those are two great things that you can try to work towards, making sure you're putting more time towards those things. So what do you think are some ways that you could, implement, working out and spending more time with your husband?
I feel like I could totally even become a morning person and wake up early, and whether that be so I can work out or work, so that later in the day, if I wanted to have time to work out while Jack was napping, or even rest, or some other type of self-care, rest, or paint my nails, or something like that, I could manage my time even better. And then I can make an effort on the weekends to get our sitter over here, or even do something special once Jack goes to bed, watch a movie, or even just come outside and sit and talk and hang out together and things like that. So there's definitely things that we both can always be working towards to make time for that.
Yeah. Well, that's great. I think it sounds like you have some really great ideas. That's nice that he doesn't work on the weekends, so you have that time together. Okay, well, I'd like to hear more about that with you next, so let's see how you can implement some of those things in
All right.
All right.
Good.
Thanks, Adrian.